Unemployment Insurance Online Services, or UIOS, is an online platform for employers to access and maintain their UI accounts. One of the services available for access is Shared Work. This is a program that uses UI funds to prevent layoffs. As an employer, you will need an ny.gov account to create and access a UIOS account. To create an ny.gov account, you will need your taxpayer ID and employer registration number. Do not use any spaces, hyphens, or other special characters when entering these numbers. To log in, go to labor.ny.gov. Under Unemployment Insurance, select Employer Information, then select My Account. If you already have an ny.gov ID, select Login to sign in with your previously created ny.gov ID. If you need to create an ny.gov ID, select Create My Account, then select Create Employer Account, and enter the required information to create your account. Once you are logged in with your ny.gov account, select View My UI Information page. On the Employer Summary page, select the Shared Work link located in the lower left of the navigation bar. Then select Shared Work Application homepage. From here, you can apply for the Shared Work program.